In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your ADHD and why the things that you tell yourself to do and execute didn't work. Long time ago, with my fiance, when I was trying to do things that I wanted for the relationship, when I wanted to make progress in my life, right? Things with her, things in general, I was self-sabotaging myself. I was saying, God, what is happening to me? Why am I like this? I thought I was lazy. I thought maybe my brain is not working today. Maybe I need to take pills. Maybe I need more Red Bull. But what happened in the end, I read this book called Atomic Habits. The book that helped me out to learn about habits, small habits, right? And with this, I started cutting every task by blocks. That means if I wanted to do something today, I would cut it in half and complete every task as pieces, so my brain could get rewarded and dopamine. This started helping me out, and I started teaching my fiance that, hey, she has it too, by the way. I started telling her, look, we are failing because we don't keep track of anything. So long story short, we started journaling together, and for the first time in my life, things started clicking for once. On my personal level, I started journaling. Journaling is when you start writing down the things, right? The things that happens to you every day, in the morning, at night. What things are you doing today? What things you're not doing? You have to put all of your thoughts on paper in order to track everything. Because if you make progress from Monday through Friday, it may look like you didn't do anything, and your brain is going to say, no, there's nothing here. How can I remember? But if you have the proof that you wrote down for the week, it shows proof that you did it. And your brain starts working with ADHD. You hack your brain by cutting tasks by block. And this is how I started managing ADHD better, because back then I just couldn't. This tactic helped me out, and I wanted to help you out, guys. Don't give up. Never give up. I know it's hard for you to make friends because when you have ADHD, you only make friends that are honest, or they have the same thing with you, or if you're on the spectrum as well. Unfortunately, out there are so many people that are competing, just the regular people that are competing. The neurotypical people, right? They don't tell you nothing about this competition, that you have to do this, do that. It's like a hierarchy thing, and if you're not part of it, they just hate you. They see you like, oh, why aren't you following these rules? But it's not written. By nature, men, we fight with each other for competition, but for somehow people that have ADHD, we don't see it the same way. Lastly, I'm going to tell you how to prevent ADHD from an early age. Well, if you're over 25, I understand. But we are daily exposed to all these chemicals, pesticides on the skies, right? They're called heavy metal toxins. They are putting it on our food right now too. And believe it or not, you breathe in that thing. That makes your brain work slower. You get sick. Your family gets sick. And throughout the years, that stays inside of your brain. It blocks things. right? It blocks the brain from functioning normal, executing. So it's pretty common, it's pretty normal to say, I would say that your mom had it and she gave it to you. Because remember, there's no gene or DNA that you are born with it, with ADHD. There's no ADHD gene, okay? You can do the research. I did it. I confirm it. And so that's the solution, right? Be less exposed to this. And how? Well, long story short, use sound frequencies. You can go on YouTube, listen to heavy metal toxins detox. There are so many frequencies there. You can find everything. If you have any questions, ask me. But I highly recommend you guys so you start journaling. Start journaling. Start writing down how you feel, your goals, the things that you want to accomplish in the future. Think of it like GTA. Like GTA San Andreas. Every time you were making money, I mean, the whole thing shows on the screen how much money you have, the health that you have, everything, just like that. Because people that have ADHD, we're not going to log everything. And if you don't, you're going to suffer. Okay, guys, this is my video. It's short, right? I don't know how to edit, honestly, but I will start learning how to. And if you have any questions or have any concerns about the topic that I spoke, feel free to contact me. Please subscribe, follow me, and I see you in the next one.